Guys, welcome back to Joe Explore Planet. Today, I captured this lizard just for your viewers. Yeah, and probably this is super small, might be a 1-old lizard. Yeah, and today, yeah, look at that, it's got no tail. But don't worry because lizards regrow their tail. Look at that. It's super cute. Look at that. It's super cute. I like it. Yeah, probably it's super small. Look at that. It's even have texture on their skin. Yeah, gold texture. Yeah, and right now we're gonna liberate this lizard. Oh, and I don't wanna because yeah, then no. Okay, and let's go away. Here we go. And this is the video for the lizard. Peace out.